Hi, this is Amazing Ken. In this video, I'm going to share with you how to create this beautiful donut chart. We'll start with a single one. So how do we do that one, right? So first, we want to represent why we use donut chart because we want to talk about progress. So if we have something to track, right? So we want to know that how much is it from for what we plan to. So we have an example here that says that this company, right, they have 700 units to sell, and then it has sales 589. So how many balance show, right? So that can be actually represent with a bar chart, uh, a column chart, right? Or you can use the donut chart. So to represent a donut chart, right? We calculate that. So let's say it's 80% sold, right? So remaining will be 20%. So we enter the one minus this C4, and then we start with creating highlight these two. We go to the insert tab, choose the pie chart, and look at the donut chart, and that's it, right? And next, we can select this one more time and right click, choose the fill, chooses the green color, and that same goes to this. Click two times, right click, fill, use gray color. The legend is not needed, select the legend and press the delete key. The chart title, if you want, you can type a new one, right? So I just delete it. And next, we want to show the users, right, the viewer, how many percent is completed, right? How much sales is reaching towards the target. So we can go to the insert tab. We just new shape and locate a basic shape with the text box. So select that, click on it, and then press the F2 key. Let's see. Oh, let's do one more time. So I'm just selecting these two here. So F2. So F2, click equal, right? So when you go to F2, you reach here, click equal, and click on this cell here, and enter. Okay, so just do some formatting and enlarge the size, right? Maybe this one, right? So it's 80% completed, right? So let's say it is next month it become 95. So we can see that it's closing the gap. So it's pretty nice, right? It give more space and just a different way to represent data. So once you have this, right, we can actually move into a even more closest one, right? So it will be like this, right? We connect this thing, and we have this data, and it really depends on your creativity. Thank you. So you just learn how to create a donut chart, right? By the simple one would be plot out the actual and the remainder, and that's it. Thank you. Remember, if you think you're amazing, believe you're amazing, then you can do amazing things. One step at a time. I wish you well.